Today I'm going to show you the cheapest way possible to do brakes on an 02 Impala. But first I want to show you how, if you have ignition problems, how you do that. See, your key switch ain't working so well. You just put one of these in and it starts right up. Don't start off the key. Push buttons are always better. Then you just run some crappy extension cord, cut up extension cord wire, and run it right into the, let's see how that works here. I didn't do this, but that's a good idea, isn't it? You just run it in there into the relay, just like that. And then you put one of these here on there, a kill for the battery. Never seen one like that. Alright, show you how to get these brakes done. Or I'll get this wheel off and check it out. You don't need a jack stand if you're, let's see, what's that? Yeah, those rotors, they look nice. There's no pad left. Just run them right down to the pad so you can screw up the rotors. Now, we're not going to worry about rotors. We're just going to leave those alone. The pads will just groove right back into them. That's how you do that. These brakes are good yet, aren't they? They sound good. Are you finally going to the dump?
I'm waiting for Chris.
Oh, you're gonna make a kid do the work? You're supposed to do all the work. That's been in there, 5 days already.
The dump's open for sure.
Sure.
For sure. Faux show. Taking the 40-40.
The 40 sporty?
It's 40-40.
Oh. Make sure you do all the work and not your mother. Get in that crusty Ford. Is the door open? Push on the door a little bit. Oh yeah, that opens up nice. That's air conditioning. Get to the dump. Find me some goodies. Don't ruin that Ford. Bye now. Hey! And when you get it apart, you don't want to grease up the slides or nothing, you know. This is the cheapest way you can do it, because I'm cheap. I think this car's got 160,000 on it. It's an 02 Impala SS, or Impala LS. Oh, them slides got grease on them yet. So you don't need to add any more. You don't need to resurface the rotor or replace it, even though they're like probably 10 bucks a piece. Maybe 20, I don't know what they are. You will use this tool to pry up the thing. It's always good. Oh yeah. Look at that pad. That's sweet. You just run them right down there to the very last. Then groove up the back side of the rotor really well. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if I can get back there and check that out. I don't know if you can see, but looks really good. Oh, that one's almost to there. Could have ran it a few more miles. You have this brake kit. That helps out a little bit. You want to buy the cheapest red line package of pads. You know, that way they last long, especially when you're not replacing the rotor. You don't need rotors. They can be grooved. That don't hurt nothing. That's just a way to get your money. Oh, these calipers are so far out that I can't even get my caliper tool in there. That's sweet. Maybe just pry on that. Squeeze it in a little bit. Jeez. That's always good. Oh, now I'm breaking my tools. Huh. So what you want to do is you want to put in a big ass screwdriver like that, put a pad back in and just crank on. Oh, that went well. Who needs specialty tools for brakes? Use a screwdriver and a caliper instead of the right tool. Now, these $12 brake pads in there. Oh yeah, drop them on the ground. It don't matter. So you take this one without the tab, or with the tab, you put that right there. Just like that. Right on that fresh rotor. I'm sure you guys seen brake videos a million times how to, but this is the cheap how to way. They don't start right away, just start cranking them in so they cross thread. That way they won't fall out. And that's how you do brakes, the cheap way. Oh, and when you get in the car, you know, after you're all done with the brakes, don't pump the brakes back up. That way you don't have any for a minute. Let's see here. You're going to want to torque these when you're done to however many foot-pounds, but I'll show you how that works. Torqued, 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 to spec, torqued. And there you have it. Cheapest way to do brakes ever, I think. Ooh, that looks sweet. Alright, you guys, well, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out a few other channels. Mill Creek Fab Shop, Left 4 Dead Garage, Stuff with Cletus, Heart Rock Garage, Hog Shooter Hot Rods, and let's see, Old Car Guy, Straight Six Man, and all those other guys I follow. Check them all out, give them a sub, a like, share out their stuff. I appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching. If you're a professional, you don't need jack stems. You just use a shitty old jack. That's good enough. Now I suppose we'll take it for a ride, but don't pump the brakes before you know. Don't pump the brakes after you just replace the brake pads. Anyways, make sure you do, or else you're gonna crash. Oh, look at that. No start again. Gotta use that button, tractor button. AC works. Oh, look at that dash. It's got part of it fell in. 168,061 miles. Oh, now I don't want to go. Oh, I had those I had those stop pads in front of the car. No wonder it wouldn't go. You know, when you get older, you'll know. You forget things like that there. Those stop pads. Yeah. Oh, and then if your windows don't work, you know, your front window don't go down, you just take the switch out and hook the wires up backwards. That way, that way when you push up, that window goes down on the driver's side. See that? Driver's side switch, passenger side window. Now, oh yeah, that one there controls that one. That's sweet. And let's see, does this one open? This one? Oh yeah, the bottom right hand side window opens the driver's door. But I wonder how that works, because if you push up on this one, that window goes down, and you push down, it goes up. And that one's just dud, apparently. Okay. Go for a ride. See all the brakes if they make any noise. No, I don't hear any noise yet. Better brake them in. Oh yeah. Oh, windows again. I can't figure it out. Okay, there we go. No brake noise. Guys mowing the grass. Oh, here comes the dump vehicle. The dump vehicle. What? Oh, this car is nice. Oh, there's some people fishing. yeah, she goes down the road good for a 2002. Got that 3.8. All the power. Let's see. It'll throw you back in the seat. Fancy hack job stereo. Oh yeah, they just cut out part of the dash there. Instead of getting the right bracket, they just cut that shit out. Nice. 457-mile range with this gas. Jeez. I can make it to Morsky's and back. And then some. The dump is open. I'll have to go back there later and see if they got any goodies. We got Peg's dump bees right over there. Must be his dump bees. Oh yeah, red line. Test the brakes out real good. Oh yeah, they stop good. Got a red cherry tree down there. Ain't even open yet. I know there ain't no fish there because I've been there before. They're over there under that bridge. Anyways, the brakes seem to work good even with those clapped out rotors, so those pads will groove in there like I said, you know. Then you don't have to replace them in a year again anyways, so why not put the rotors in? That costs way too much money, 20 bucks a piece.